Hi, John Evans here. If you're like me, you hate the repetitive motion of measuring using measuring cups. You have to pour a little bit in, and you either have to bend down and look at it or pick it up and look at it in the light, and then you have to adjust, either putting some more in or taking some more out, and then the whole process starts over again. That's why I use these OXO Good Grips angled measuring cups. The patented angled surface lets you read measurement markings by looking straight down into the cup, eliminating the need to fill, check, adjust, and repeat. Another great thing about the angled measuring cups is that the handle is soft and non-slip, so I get a firm grip even when my hands are wet. These cups come in 3 handy sizes: 1 cup, 2 cup, and 4 cup. When you're done using them, you can pop them in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. And they nest conveniently too, so they're great for storage. I reach for these cups again and again when I'm cooking, and I'm sure that you will too.